Hello everyone. In this video, I'll cover the process of filing an online claim via our website. Here's the main screen for our site. First, go to patreasury.gov and click Programs on the menu bar. Then click Unclaimed Property on the drop-down menu. Then select Start Your Search. Next, click the Search Now button displayed here. The green dot gives you an idea of how far you are in the claim submission process. The online process for finding unclaimed property is simple. Plus, if you file online, your claim may be eligible for our automated approval process. That means no paper claim form is required, and it will significantly cut down the amount of time it takes for you to receive your money. You can also speed up the process by selecting to receive your funds by direct deposit, also known as ACH. Okay, now let's get started. Type your last name or company name in the designated text box. You must type a minimum of 2 characters into the text box. To further narrow your search, you may also type your first name or initial, your zip code, address, or city in each designated text box. By completing more of these optional fields, your search becomes narrower. So it's probably a good idea to start by entering only your last name and first initial if you want to search as many of our records as possible. Check the I'm not a robot box. Then click the Search Properties button at the bottom of the page. A list of results for potential matches will appear. If you identify property that may belong to you, review the information and click the Add box beside each property listed that you would like to claim. Once you've finished adding properties, click the green Claim Properties in My Cart button. At this point, you'll see an option to receive funds via ACH or direct deposit to your bank account. Select Yes or No. Let's walk through these steps to be paid by ACH. After selecting Yes, you will be presented with a claimant login screen to register for an account. Select Register for an account. On this form, you may be required to enter your personal information. That includes your first and last name, street address, zip code, city, state, email, phone, birth date, username, and password. Then click the Save Registration button on the bottom. At this point, you'll need to go to your email to confirm your account. After clicking the link in the email, you'll get a confirmation message. Now you're set to be able to sign in and register for an ACH payment. So click Return to Claimant Login. Log in using the username and password that you just set up. Then click the gold Login button. Now click the green Claim Properties in My Cart button. Next, use the drop-down box to select your relationship to the property listed. A pop-up box will appear to further explain the relationship that you selected. If all of the above are true, click Yes. You have the ability to claim different properties at the same time, even if your relationship to the properties is not all the same. Next, complete your claimant information form. Fill in your first name, last name, street address, zip, city, state, email, phone number, and birth date. All of the information is required in order to move on to the next step. Entering your Social Security number is likely to result in faster processing. If you do not provide a Social Security number, the claim will not be eligible to go through our automated approval process. That means you'll need to submit the PDF claim form, which will result in longer processing time. If you choose not to provide your Social Security number, you'll be required to check the box acknowledging that a Social Security number was not provided. If you're a finder, which means that you are assisting someone to recover their unclaimed property for a fee, Pennsylvania requires you to become a registered finder. Refer to the finder registration process on our website at patreasury.gov, Unclaimed Property Finders. Next, for How Did You Hear About This Site, select from the drop-down menu. Finally, check if you're a veteran or active duty service member. For this demonstration, a Social Security number is required for ACH payment. So proceed with entry of your Social Security number. Check the box to have your property sent to you via ACH. Several blue boxes of important information relating to the receipt of funds by ACH appear. Enter your bank routing number and account number. Select from the drop-down box if the account is a checking or savings, and select how you heard about this site. You can accept the terms and conditions of Treasury's Affidavit and Indemnification Agreement online immediately before signing the claim form. After this form is completed, click the Create Claim button. Answer OK to the pop-up box if all of the information is correct to create the claim. All submitted claims will be showcased on the screen. Depending on the type of claim and your relationship to the property, each claim form may have different requirements listed. If you're presented with the ability to generate a PDF of your claim form, then a paper claim form is required. You can fill it out, sign, and upload the claim form online. You'll receive an email of the claim form as a PDF, along with a list of 2 options to either upload a completed claim form to our website or print and mail the claim form to our P.O. box. However, if no PDF is presented, that's good news. It likely means that no paper claim form is required for the claim. To check the status of the claim on our site, you'll need the zip code and claim ID for each claim, which can be found at the bottom of the claim forms. Now I'll show you how to check the status of a claim on our site. It's very easy. The Claim Status Upload Forms tab is displayed on the main screen right underneath the Already Started Need Help section. To check the status of one or any of your claims, you simply fill in the zip code and claim ID. If you're logged in, the status of all your claims is automatically presented on your portal. Each status is labeled with a specific color, and each color references a certain claim status. For instance, the color orange is labeled as Claim Form Received by State. You can also use this page to upload claim forms. If you have any questions about the process, please email tupmail@patreasury.gov and our Unclaimed property staff will be happy to assist you. If you'd like to search for unclaimed property in other states, visit missingmoney.com. Thank you.